To search iDiscover for a book, make sure that Cambridge Libraries Collections is selected. You can use the drop-down menu on the right-hand side if you are looking for a particular type of book, or if you want to search a particular library. This quick search box will only search for keywords, so it's always best to use the advanced search option to find a specific item. Again, you can select if you just want to look in a particular library, or you can search all libraries. And then the advanced search options allow you to be more specific. Here you can specify if you're searching for the words in a title, author, subject, which is similar to keyword, or the class mark. This is the number on the spine of the book. You can use the drop-down menus on the right-hand side to specify a type of resource that you're looking for, if you want it in a particular language, or if you're looking for a particular date range, and this is particularly useful if you just want the most up-to-date research. It can be very useful to combine search terms. If you find that there are lots of books on a particular topic, or many books by the same author, or by authors that have similar names. So for example, you can combine a search for title with a search for a particular author. You can also exclude results from your search if you find that you're getting a lot of irrelevant material being returned. So let's see this searching in action. First of all, we'll conduct a simple keyword search for study skills, and we'll search all libraries. As you can see, this returns a rather unusable 6,374 results. So the best thing that we can do is turn this into an advanced search and just search for these words in the title. When we do that, you can see that we nearly halve the number of results that we return. If we then combine it with a particular author, so it may be that you remember the name of an author from something on your reading list, you can see that this returns just 2 results. So it's very much worth spending some time creating an effective search rather than having to scroll through hundreds and hundreds of results.